Yes, hello everyone. We have at work today Audi Q4 e-tron, full electric car, which one been in accident, side accident, in the two doors, in the car inside, and been blown the two seats, two roof airbag, four of them seat belt. Interior work is already done. No airbag signs, nothing. Just left make sure this one car to run, and he's have the blown the Pyrofuse in the high voltage battery. Right now we take out the high voltage battery, change the Pyrofuse, put everything back, and do the coding of the car. And this one car has been ready in the next 2-3 hours. How you see the car on the ramp right now? We have took it all under trays, all size gears, everything, and took it out the high voltage battery. It's this one, big one. When we remove the battery, you see how to open the cover. We show where is the state of Pyrofuse, how it looks, how it's changeable, and how everything is work. Okay guys, that is the high voltage battery. Here you have the screw around the battery, so many screws, and 4 screws, different size of the middle. It's been long screws, there is short. There how you see is the coolant of the high voltage battery. You have just a 2 pipe, which one is disconnected, and when you took it out, put it down the battery, it's left there, and battery going out. From the another side of the high voltage battery, you have the high voltage cables on the electricity motors too, the control plugs, and the minus as well. We already took the plugs out, took the coolant out, and took it out the couple, the screws left just 2 screw there, 2 screw there. Now battery ready to going down. We now put the table, put down the car, take the 4 screw, lift that car up, and it's happy. Battery has been took it out of the car. Yeah, how you see we took it out the high voltage battery. Open the cover as well. Cover have the 3 different type of the bolts. Around here, Torx 25, Torx 30, and 24 mils, 4 screws. And another one, we open the screws of the plug set. Is another type of the screws, T25 as well, but it's different size. And now we're ready to take out the cover. Vitaly, help take out the cover, please. Thank you very much. How we see, we open the high voltage battery. Is the section of the batteries. How you see, this one car have the 10 section. It's one of the maximum spec of the car. It's very powerful. Maybe it have fully loaded batteries. Sometimes when cars have the 50, 40, the ranges is make sure it's different how many section this one battery they have. This one is full. Sometimes it's been the 8, 10, and 12. And the high voltage Pyrofuse, one of this one covers. Yeah. How we see the high voltage battery Pyrofuse stay there. This one is Pyrofuse, is blown, and now take the power. Make sure everything is safely, maybe it's high voltage and is so many volts have, and maybe you have the, it's very strange to have the shock risk when you're working on the this one battery. Okay, we are now start the open this one box to take out and change the Pyrofuse on the this one car. Be careful, this one 2-pin is the give the maximum of the power on the this one battery. And need to be in very big safety to remove this one part, because full power to car of the battery going from the this one 2-piece. Alright, Vitaly, can you take the this one, remove the this one box, please? Thanks. Okay guys, we already removed the ECU with the Pyrofuse, and now we open the cover of the this one ECU. And these to the Pyrofuse on the this one car. Open 2 screw and remove the Pyrofuse. These one parts don't give you a power of your car, and your car not drivable because this one part is blown. We already bought one, new one, original one from the dealer. Fit new one back. Close the cover. And fit ECU the back. Done. Now we put everything back. Close the battery, close the connector, check everything, put a new silicone and put battery back, sorted everything and do the coding of the car. Okay guys, mechanical job is done. Everything fitted back, everything sorted. Let's just start decoding the car and should be car being started next 15-20 minutes.